So here's how to hide post on Instagram from someone. Starting off, once you're in the Instagram homepage, go to your feed and open any post from here. Then, tap on the three dots over the post on the top right corner. As you can see, there's no option to hide the post over here. Go back to your profile and tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. This is the Settings and Activity page. Scroll down and go to Restricted. From here, you can limit interactions from someone without having to block or unfollow them. Go to the search bar and type in the name of the profile you want to restrict. Tap on the Restrict button beside their profile. You have now successfully restricted this account on Instagram. This way, you can manage your experience on Instagram. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily hide posts on Instagram from someone.